Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Amazon gift card to buy stuff here on Amazon. So first is you just have to log into your Amazon account. That's right, and then right here, you just have to tap on your account and list option, and you'll be able to see here now the gift card. So you just have to simply tap on this one, and then you can redeem a gift card right here, and then I can also check your gift card balance. So yeah, you just have to enter claim your claim code, and then I just have to tap on the apply to your balance. Okay, so we can also tap on the gift cards option right here, and then tap on view your balance. Okay, and then here, for example, we want to purchase this product, so simply tap on it, and then after that, you just have to tap on the buy now option. Okay, and then here you just have to enter a gift card, the voucher or the promotional code, and then I just have to simply tap on the apply option. Okay, and then after typing out here your gift card, so you'd be able to see here now your order total. And then after that, you just have to type out your delivery address as well as your contact information. After that, you just have to tap on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.